Hey, you awesome sixth graders. Welcome into Mrs. Riley Math Talks. I'm so excited to be here with you guys today. And today we'll be talking about adding and subtracting multi-digit decimals. Now to do this, there are two things we must remember. First is to line up the decimals. We're going to line them up vertically, which means up and down, not horizontally like the horizon, which is side to side. Again, you're going to line the decimals up vertically, up and down. Now, after you line them up and do the math, you're going to slide the decimal down to the answer. So let's think about what that means as we add 4.56 plus 1.25. All right, so to do that, I'm going to be using a red marker just because I think red sticks out pretty good. So 4.56. The next number is 1.254. Now, remember, we have to line up the decimals. So let's put the decimal right here underneath it vertically, and now put the other number. So one's in front of that decimal. And then 2, 5, and 4 go after. 2, 5, 4. And don't forget that we are adding, just like it says right there. So let's put our plus sign. All right, now we have everything stacked up on top of each other. You can see that there is nothing on top of that 4. There is nothing on top of this 4. Let me get my pointer. Let's see if I can point it out for us right here. There's nothing on top of that. So just like when you added other numbers, such as, let me get an example, 10 plus 7, and there was nothing right there. We can put an X or a 0 to represent nothing here. Now, let's continue on with our math. 0 plus 4 is 4. 6 plus 5 is 11. 1, carry the other one up. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. All right, next thing said slide the decimal down to the answer. So it get down here and bring it down one more time. There we go. 4 plus 1 is 5. So your answer is 5.814. All right, so we got one more because that was adding. But now let's go with the next question, which will be subtracting. Same thing. First, we need to line up the decimals. Let's come over here and let's do that. 9.451. Now I need to make sure my decimals are lined up. So I'm going to put a decimal right here, right underneath it, vertically up and down. And the 2 is in front of that decimal. And then there are 7s behind it. So 7, 7, 7. And we are subtracting. So I'm going to put a subtraction sign. And then you do the math. So I'm going to get this in red to do the math. 1 minus 7, can't do that. So I got to go borrow. Take away from 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. I borrowed 1, put it right there. 7 minus 11, or 11 minus 7 to say it correctly, is 4. Next up, we have 4 minus 7. Nope, 4 is too small to take out 7, so I cross out the 4. It becomes a 3. That 1 that I took away goes right in front of the 4. 14 minus 7 is 7. Now we got 3 minus 7. 3 is too small, go to 9. Act like the decimal point's not even there, it doesn't matter right now. 9 becomes an 8. That 1 you took away goes in front of the 3. 13 minus 7 is 6. 8 minus 2 is 6. And now remember, slide the decimal point down to the answer. So slide it down. Our answer is 6.674 is your answer. All right, I'm gonna clear off all my writings. Thank you guys for coming in today for your math talk with Mrs. Riley. I hope you have a great day, and I hope this helped you learn just a little bit better. Have a good day. Bye.